Welcome to Guadalest, a small village nested in the heart of Costa Blanca region of Spain. With its stunning mountains view and rich history, it's no wonder that this village has become a popular tourist destination. Come and explore Guadalest with us. One of the main attractions of Guadalest is the castle, which dates back to the 12th century. There are a lot of steps on the way to the castle, but the view are worth it. It's a great spot for photos and offers a panoramic view of the village and surrounding valley. On the way down, you will pass the station of Cross, this beautiful white and blue boats. Below the castle there is a municipal museum or Duna house, which is included in the price of admission to the castle, and it's €4. In the museum you will find examples of furniture, holy room, and library. On the top floor there is exhibition hall, where there is a changing exhibition of painting. Through the windows, you can see the reservoir of Guadalest. The crystal clear water are surrounding by lush greenery and offer a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of the village. For nature lovers, the reservoir of Guadalest is a great spot for picnic or swim. There are several trails around the water, so if you fancy a walk, you have come to the right place. We are enchanted by the view. Let's see it from above. It's time to return to the city that stands above the water. But wait, we can't fly it, so we will walk. It's 2 kilometers from the reservoir to the town. The path is uphill, but it lands through a beautiful landscape through forest and opens up view of the surrounding rocks. The local rocks are popular with climbers, but we will save the climbings for next time as we have Chilko with us. And slowly we return to the town. Yes, that's where we came from. After a walk like that, we will reap the rewards. Guadalest offers a variety of restaurants to satisfy different tastes and budgets.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within.
Walking around the city and enjoying the atmosphere is just right for the afternoon.
Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover, agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover, agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all.
Guadalest is known as the village of museum. Perhaps its most famous are those displaying works in miniature, but it doesn't stop there. No less than 9 museums are situated in the village's main tourist area. Guadalest Valley Museum of Historical Vehicle, Guadalest Salt and Paper Shaker Museum, Museum of Torture, and others. Guadalest is renowned for its rich cultural heritage and products many traditional products that are famous in the region. Typical products include handicrafts. Guadalest is home to a variety of artists who produce traditional crafts such as pottery, ceramics, and leather goods. Visitors can find a wide selection of this traditional craft in the local shops and market. The region is also famous for its olive groves and produces a variety of olives. The area is also known for its honey products, particularly orange honey, which has a unique and intensive flavor. Guadalest is a charming village with plenty to see and do. Whether you are interested in history, nature, or culture, there is something for everyone here. We hope you enjoy your visit to this special place in Spain. More videos from Spain coming soon in our playlist Visit Spain with Akita Inu. So don't forget to subscribe if you are interested in Spain. If you are more interested in Akita's life, watch our shorts that focus on Akita's life. See you next time!